I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am here today with my awesome boy.
Coast in the Pug Stool.
And we are pretty excited because we got something in the mail here, and I tell you what, it is going to sound phenomenal. The next level of the front stage of my Hummer. You ready to show them what we got here?
Yes, let's see.
All right, here we go. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. My front stage that I am so excited about. All Crescendo. I got the new 6.5-inch UN series, which are absolutely beautiful. I mean, literally words do not do justice with how nice and how quality these things are. I just wish you guys can see and touch these in person. So I got 4 6.5s, and then I got 2 Crescendo FT1s, which I heard scream. I have heard these in person as well, and they also sound phenomenally nice. So got a pretty decent setup here for the front stage, and I also got the crossovers for the tweeters that came with it. And yeah, I'm just excited. It looks really, really great. And for the tweeters, I actually got the flush mount rings, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some custom A-pillars. I'm going to mount them right there in the corner of the A-pillars. And these are going to absolutely scream, so I'm excited for that. So I just wanted to show a little unboxing here, kind of what we got in the mail. And gonna do another video once I get them installed and do a sound test, do a door test, all that good stuff. Just some quick specs here. So these are really, really light. The ones I have in my door right now, I mean, feel at least twice as heavy. So some specs on these. I mean, you could find this on the internet, but these are the 4 ohm model, 150 watt RMS each. And then same with the Crescendo. These are the 4 ohm model, and they are 80 RMS each. So anyway, I am definitely excited. I know these are gonna just sound night and day difference over what I currently got. So stay tuned for an install video and door test to hear these suckers scream. So anyway, fire it up. Stay tuned. Please subscribe.